Right, so this is the easiest way to promote your YouTube videos right now using the promotions tab in YouTube Studio. Hello everyone, Mugabiman here at mugabiman.com, getting you started online. So in the last video on this YouTube channel, I showed you how to promote your YouTube videos using Google Ads. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to promote your YouTube videos using the promotions tab in the YouTube Studio. If you have a YouTube channel, you should know about the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio app, if you have it on your mobile phone, it allows you to monitor your performance, your channel performance, channel views, whatever you want to see, comments, analytics, deep analytics for each video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the YouTube Studio, the promotions tab in YouTube Studio to promote your YouTube videos very quick. So let's get started. So once you are logged into your YouTube channel, you can simply go to your profile and click on the profile picture. You will see YouTube Studio button. If you don't, just go to your channel and click on customize channel. If you are logged in as admin, you'll see the button that will also take you to the YouTube Studio. You can also use the link direct studio.youtube.com to go to your YouTube Studio. First thing to do is you need to connect your Google account to your YouTube channel. You need to connect your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel so that you can be able to run YouTube ads very fast. And to do that, you will need to refer to my other video now to promote YouTube videos. I showed you how to connect your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account in the last video. So check that video out. I might leave the links in the description. Oh, and by the way, thank you very much for your followings, your subscriptions. At least we got to 1K for the channel. Thank you very much, and congratulations to us. Alright, so this is the YouTube Studio. This is how it looks like. As I just mentioned, if you have the YouTube Studio mobile app, you can be able to see all this analytics plus a lot more right here. This analytics tab has been moved to your YouTube Studio mobile app, so you can see all this good stuff in your phone, on your mobile phone. But this is not the tab we are looking for. What you are looking for is the content. So you want to promote content, and when you open up this tab, this is what you see. You'll be seeing your videos. You can switch between the tabs from shorts to live to posts to playlists to podcasts. If you have podcasts, it's nice to know I have podcasts here. I think I have to create a podcast very soon. So go to promotions, right? So from promotions, you might notice I already have some ads that are run, but if you don't, you will see a big button that says get started, and that's where I will click. So the first thing you'll see is account. So you have to first set up your account, connect your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. As I just mentioned, if you don't have a Google Ads account, be sure to check out my website mugabiman.com. There's a very long post that will explain to you in detail how to get started with Google Ads and how to connect your YouTube channel. I have a video about how to connect your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account right here on the channel. So that would be the first step, the account. Right now I can only see the goal because I already connected the account. So once you connect your account, your YouTube channel, to your Google Ads account, you can see these promotions. You can get started with the promotions by choosing your goal. Is it audience growth, video views, or website visits? So with website visits, you can drive website visitors to your website using YouTube video, using your YouTube video. So let's say I want more website visitors and click on, let's say just more views, more video views, and click on next. Next, we choose the video that you want to promote. So you simply search for it right here. Let's say we want to promote one of our latest videos. This is the Google AdSense tutorial. So next is we add a little bit of details, and let's just copy the headline and paste it under the description, and then click on next. So next is choosing account trace where this ad is going to be shown, and if you have specific languages that you want to target. Next is by the way, you can simply type in the country right here, or just choose from the drop down. Next is the budget. How much do you want to spend for this ad? Let's say $30. $30 per month, maybe that's $1 per day. Still some good results based on what you are looking for, but $3 to $5 per day would be better. So you can choose how long you want your ad to run, maybe a month or two, and then click on promote. So once you click on promote, your ads or your video ad will be in a pending for a few minutes, and once it's approved, it can start running, and you'll be seeing results here. You'll be seeing your costs, promotion views, and even promotion subscribers. That's the quickest way to promote your YouTube videos right now. Especially if you don't know much about Google Ads, this is the quickest way for you to promote your YouTube videos using the promotion tab in YouTube Studio. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, if it helped you, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell notification when you subscribe to the channel, so that when new videos are uploaded, when new marketing videos are uploaded, you will be notified. So thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next one.